guys, hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I welcome you to the show जहाँ मैं आपको दूंगी all the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Also reminding you guys to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on Bollywood and your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, let's begin with the top headlines of the day. Kangna taunts B-Town celebs celebrating RE Metro car shed news. Charisma better student than Kareena, says father Randhir Kapoor. 83 to release in December. Suryavanshi only next year, say sources. SRK spotted sporting long hair for upcoming film Pathaan. Disha announces it's a wrap on Radhe for her. Kangna has referred to a picture of politician Sanjay Raut and comedian Kunal Kamra together holding toy bulldozers as a mockery of the difficulties she went through, but added that such images only validate her claims about their intentions. Kangna Ranaut may have been busy filming for the next schedule of her much-awaited film Thalaivi, but the actor made sure to share opinion on the important development related to the RE Metro car shed. Kangna Ranaut is back on set after almost 7 months and is working on the film Thalaivi, which is a biopic on the late Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Jayalalitha. But Kangna doesn't stop making controversial statements on social media and attacking her colleagues on social media on various topics. Kangna, who has been taunting Deepika Padukone by referring to her initiative for mental health as Depression Ka Dhanda, received some support from actor Shalin Chopra, who shared her post while taking the opportunity to make a jibe against Deepika on her recent interrogation by the NCB. But while she may be busy with the shoot, Kangna ने मुंबई में इमर्ज हो रही RE Metro shed की खबरों पर कमेंट जरूर किया. The project saw huge protests from citizens and environmentalists who believed that cutting down trees in the forest area would affect the biodiversity and affect the tribals living in the RE forest area. But now this metro car shed development has been shifted to Kanjurmarg और RE की natural greenery protect की जाएगी. Several actors like Dia Mirza and Shraddha Kapoor shared their happiness about this development. And sure enough, Kangna ने अपने Bollywood colleagues के post पर comment किया. Sharing a social media post, Kangna wrote, "First, world problems of a few fancy activists are not Mumbaikars' problems. Last year, I planted more than 1 lakh saplings. Not cutting trees is good, but stopping urbanization only to suit powerful and wealthy's agendas is not the solution, but part of the problem. #RE, #Metro." लेकिन जहां एक तरफ कंगना नए पोस्ट पे ले रही है नए जाइब्स, वहीं उनके वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ डे पर किए गए पोस्ट को शेयर किया मॉडल टर्न्ड एक्टर शर्लिन चोपड़ा ने, who added insult to injury by taunting Deepika Padukone indirectly about her recent brush with the NCB. Sharing Kangna's post in which she mentioned that depression का दुकान चलाने वालों ने उनकी फिल्म जजमेंटल है क्या को अपोज किया था. शर्लिन commented, कंगना जी, सही कहा आपने. ये लोग फूक के डिप्रेशन के नारे लगाते हैं और देश की युवा पीढ़ी को अंधकार में ढकेलते हैं. 2 वक्त की रोटी कमाने के लिए जो मजदूर सुबह शाम मजदूरी करता है, क्या उसे डिप्रेशन नहीं होती है? क्या डिप्रेशन से राहत पाने के लिए हम का सेवन करना शुरू कर दे? But amidst all this social media activity, Kangna has managed to complete filming for one more schedule of her upcoming film Thalaivi. Sharing an update about what she has been up to as an actor, Kangna shared pictures from the shoot where she is dressed as a younger version of the late Chief Minister. Kangna shared black and white pictures of the late Chief Minister and her own look from the film and wrote, "With the blessings of Jayama, we completed one more schedule of Thalaivi, the revolutionary leader. After Corona, many things are different, but between action and before cut, nothing changes. Thank you, team. Vishinduri, Shailesh R. Singh, Al Vijay." फिल्म सेट से लेके सोशल मीडिया तक कंगना हर जगह छाई हुई है। Here's hoping her films do well and keep her India's highest paid star, as she so often claims. After a लंबी जुदाई, lovebirds Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor फिर से एक साथ दिखे when the actor dropped his lady love Malaika back home after spending quality time together over the weekend.
It's only recently that Arjun and Malaika have made their relationship kind of official after apparently dating each other for a very long time. Arjun and Malaika in the last 1 year have been spotted hand in hand on various events in public spaces and have also been seen commenting on each other's posts on social media, and quite adorable ones. Even during the lockdown, when they both got tested positive, they made sure they informed everyone about it, and after they tested negative and now with the restrictions lifting, they are making sure to spend some quality time together.
Both Malaika and Arjun had tested positive for the pandemic-related virus and had quarantined themselves in their homes till they made a full recovery. अर्जुन और मलाइका की रिलेशनशिप सीरियस होने के चर्चे तब शुरू हुए जब दोनों एक फैशन वीक के दौरान एक साथ दिखाई दिए और उसके बाद एक रियलिटी शो में हैंड इन हैंड नजर आए। Malaika, who was married to actor producer Arbaz Khan for a long time, made her relationship with Arjun official just a year ago. But ever since then, the couple has stopped trying to hide their obvious affection for each other. अर्जुन एंड मलाइका अक्सर सोशल मीडिया के जरिए अपने प्यार का इजहार करते हैं एंड देयर पीडीए ऑन ईच अदर्स पोस्ट इज क्वाइट अडोरेबल। लॉकडाउन के दौरान मलाइका हैज बीन कुकिंग अप अ स्टॉर्म एंड इट लुक्स लाइक द छैया छैया स्टार अर्जुन के दिल तक रास्ता अपने हाथों से बना डिजर्ट खिला के बना रही है। Arjun had shared a social media story with a picture of what looked like a delicious sweet treat and shared a heart emoji with just a one-word caption: her. जब मलाइका ने लॉकडाउन के शुरुआती दिनों में अपना एक फोटो शूट पोस्ट करके लिखा, "Wondering what to do next, can't sit still." बॉयफ्रेंड अर्जुन का तुरंत जवाब आया, "Thinking where to sleep next." लगता है अर्जुन मलाइका को बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं। When she shared a collage of her and her besties all taking an afternoon nap, people couldn't help but notice a subtle smile on Malaika's face. She captioned the picture, "Friends that nap together stay forever." मलाइका का ये स्वीट सा फोटो देखकर शायद अर्जुन से रहा नहीं गया, and he commented on her post, "But you are smiling in your nap also. Wow." It was only recently after staying safe for several months during the lockdown that the couple tested positive for the pandemic-related virus around the same time. दोनों अपने अपने घरों में क्वारंटीन थे और पूरा क्वारंटीन खत्म करने के बाद उन्होंने सोशल मीडिया पे अपने नेगेटिव होने की बात भी शेयर की थी। मलाइका एक डांस रियलिटी शो को जज कर रही है, while Arjun is still waiting to resume work on his upcoming projects. He is also awaiting the release of his film Sandeep और Pinky Farrar. लेकिन लगता है the couple who were unable to meet each other for almost 2 weeks during their 2-week quarantine period finally got an opportunity to spend time together. While he didn't get down from the car, Arjun made sure कि वो अपनी lady love को घर तक drop कर दे, and the paparazzi managed to capture this moment. It was only recently that Salman Khan had shared the news that he was back on set filming Radhe Your Most Wanted Bhai. In more updates coming from the film sets, हमें पता चला है कि सलमान और दिशा पाटनी ने हाल ही में एक गाने की शूटिंग कंप्लीट की, and after a few days of work, Disha's scenes and work on the film is finally complete.
हर साल की तरह इस साल भी सलमान खान ईद पर अपनी फिल्म राधे और मोस्ट वांटेड भाई रिलीज करने वाले थे। But because of the pandemic and the lockdown, shoots were stalled and इस साल ईद पर वो अपनी फिल्म रिलीज नहीं कर पाए. Now, after a gap of almost 6.5 months, the team has started filming for the film again. And सुनने में आया था that after completing a schedule at a studio in Karjat, they will be shooting rest of the parts of the film here in Mumbai itself.
Salman, who hasn't been seen in a movie since Bharat last year, is also excited to be back on set and had shared a post with a picture of himself in an interesting jacket and captioned it, "Back to shoot after 6.5 months. Feels good. #Radhe." The makers had also released a behind-the-scenes video to show कि आखिर कौन-कौन से safety precautions लिए जा रहे हैं. और इसी क्लिप के दौरान we spotted Salman and Disha both practicing dance steps and recording a song that had been left incomplete. फिल्म के सेट्स काफी lavish और glamorous लग रहे हैं. And it was interesting to see the actors practice with their masks on and taking them off just in time to give their shot. वैसे तो सलमान has been working out rigorously in the gym during the lockdown. But looks like इतने लंबे ब्रेक के बाद नाचना गाना उन्हें थोड़ा मुश्किल लग रहा था. अपनी ट्रेडमार्क सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर को दिखाते हुए the actor is heard saying in the BTS video, "टाइम लगेगा भाई, 6 महीने बाद आया." इस वीडियो में जैकी श्रॉफ भी नजर आए जो इस फिल्म में एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं. And amidst familiar scenes of hair, makeup, touch-ups and spot dadas with umbrellas, it was great to see temperature checks, sanitization and social distancing being maintained very strictly. The team, which supposedly just has a few weeks of work left on the film, seems to have finished the pending scenes with Disha Patni, जो पहली बार सलमान के opposite एक lead role में दिखेंगी. Disha shared a post on social media announcing a wrap of her work on Radhe and added a picture with her team, #Radhe Pack Up. "Thank you my lovely team for being the best ever." Looking absolutely stunning in a simple black t-shirt and no makeup. Disha made sure to thank all those who were part of her personal hair and makeup team and her personal support staff, जिन्होंने भी एक बड़ा रिस्क लिया है to ensure completion of the film. Rumors के मुताबिक Radhe is the remake of a South Korean film Veteran and also stars many iconic southern actors who will play crucial roles in the movie. दिशा के साथ रोमांस के सेगमेंट्स रैप करने के बाद अब सलमान जल्द ही अपने बाकी के सीन्स पूरे करेंगे. And hopefully by the end of this month, director Prabhudeva will be able to announce a wrap on Radhe Your Most Wanted Bhai, जो फिलहाल Radhe the much delayed film है. Was Karisma Kapoor, or Lolo as she is fondly called, a better student than her sister Bebo? Well, according to father Randhir Kapoor, it was Lolo who was actually a better student who made many interesting revelations during an interview with a newspaper.
Randhir Kapoor is the son of the legendary Raj Kapoor and a father to beautiful Karisma and Kareena, who continue to get tremendous love on social media and for their work. Karisma was one of the top actresses in the 90s before she took a break from her work after her marriage, and Kareena Kapoor Khan recently completed 20 years in the industry, still continuing to work hard and has some tremendous and prestigious projects lined up for next year, and a second baby making an appearance in March as well.
Kareena and Karisma are extremely attached to each other and are often spotted visiting each other's homes and celebrating festivals, birthdays and anniversaries together as a family. Though Randhir Saab and Babita Ji are separated, and Babita Ji raised both the girls almost single-handedly for several years, the two sisters are very fond of their parents and often share pictures from their childhood, but they seem to be enjoying their time with their extended family, including the legend Raj Kapoor, जिनके साथ उनके कई adorable pictures हैं. But when quizzed about which one of the sisters was a better student, Randhir replied that it was Karisma. He also revealed that while both his daughters are very attached to him and their mother, shayad Karisma has a slightly bigger soft corner for her papa. वैसे it was both the sisters who convinced their dad to start a social media account, and ever since then, the veteran actor has been posting some unseen and delightful pictures of kids and more importantly grandkids, including little Taimur, जो पूरे इंडिया के फेवरेट बच्चों में से एक है. While Karisma is in Mumbai with her kids, Kareena is in Delhi with Saif and Taimur to complete filming her scenes for the film Lal Singh Chadda opposite Aamir Khan, who is also producing the movie. But while his kids are busy with their kids and career, Randhir ji is also busy with plans of reviving RK Studios, which was one of the most respected production houses in India. The actor shared कि वो अपने फैमिली बैनर को दोबारा शुरू करना चाहते हैं and also revealed that he may direct a film soon under the RK banner. Well, it's happening. We are reviving the RK banner now. It will happen soon in a couple of months. He added that the first project under the banner will be a love story. The film will be a love story. I shall direct it. Well, I can't tell you any more about it at this point of time. But we'll throw out the news of the cast with a bang. Randhir Kapoor revealed. लेकिन जहां he is enjoying time with his kids and grandkids and looking forward to work again as a director, रणधीर साहब को उनके अपने भाई ऋषि कपूर की कमी बहुत महसूस होती है. The actor lost a battle to cancer this year and रणधीर जी उनके साथ बिताए गए वक्त को अक्सर याद करते हैं. Randhir Saab revealed during the interview, "We will miss him too, Randhir Saab, but hopefully you will have a lot to look forward to soon. Both at work and a new grandchild who will bring lots of happiness to you." Ranveer and Deepika starrer 83 and Katrina and Akshay Kumar Suryavanshi may have delayed releases in theatres since they have decided not to take the OTT route. But now shoots have resumed and theatres will finally open on October 15th at a reduced capacity. लेकिन इन फिल्मों को finally audiences तक पहुंचाने में थोड़ा वक्त और लगेगा. At the beginning of the year, audiences were eagerly waiting for the release of movies like 83, Suryavanshi and Lal Singh Chadda, which are being headlined by major stars like Ranveer Singh, Akshay Kumar and Aamir Khan. But while some movies like 83 and Suryavanshi were complete but could not release because of the lockdown, others like Lal Singh Chadda have finally resumed filming after a break of almost 6 months.
This year, because of the lockdown and the pandemic, many shoots were stalled abruptly and theatres remained closed. While many films decided to take an OTT route and release their films online, many other films resisted the temptation and waited for theatres to reopen. But now it looks like the wait will be extended for a few more months till the audience can finally go to the theatres and watch their films again.
लेकिन जहां एक तरफ shoots resume हुए हैं with all the precautions in place, the theatrical releases of films are still facing uncertainty. According to a government announcement, theatres 15th October से open हो सकते हैं, but with limited number of people in the audience for safety, and films which have been waiting for this announcement are now gearing up for a big screen release in the months to come. According to reports, the Ranveer Singh starrer 83 will finally release around Christmas, almost 8 months after its release date of April. But Suryavanshi, which was supposed to release in March this year, अब शायद अगले साल ही theatres में release होगी. The fourth installment of Rohit Shetty's Cop Universe, which also has Ajay Devgan and Ranveer Singh in cameo appearances, was earlier scheduled to release during Diwali. लेकिन while Akshay's film Lakshmi Bomb will have an OTT release, सूर्यवंशी को देखने के लिए हमें कई और महीने वेट करना पड़ेगा. According to an official from the production house associated with both 83 and Suryavanshi. We definitely don't want to change the date of 83 for Suryavanshi. The sport drama is still slated to release on Christmas. We have to decide on the new date of Suryavanshi with the director and actor, but the film should release between January and March. 83 टीम इंडिया के हिस्टोरिक वर्ल्ड कप विन पर बेस्ड है and sees Ranveer Singh play the iconic cricketer Kapil Dev with Deepika playing his wife Romi Dev along with a massive ensemble cast that includes talented actors like Pankaj Tripathi. Suryavanshi, which stars Katrina along with Ranveer and Ajay, who played Simba and Singham in the earlier cop sagas, is also highly anticipated for its धमाकेदार action sequences. लेकिन अब शायद दिवाली पे इस फिल्म का धमाका बॉक्स ऑफिस पर नहीं हो पाएगा.
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
जहां दीपिका, आलिया और करीना अपने बालों की लेंथ कम करके एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रही है, वहीं SRK seems to be growing his hair longer for his upcoming film Pathaan. The actor was spotted during a cricket tournament recently with his new look and tried to cover his long hair with a cap. वैसे SRK looks quite dashing with long tresses and he has experimented with this look once before in Dawn 2. जहां प्रिजन से एस्केप होने के बाद वो अपने नए लुक में अपने पुराने साथियों से मिलते हैं. Looks like SRK is all set to bring back his tresses for Pathaan, which will mark his return as an actor.
SRK has been away from the big screen for almost 2 years now. उनकी फिल्म Zero को 0 good reviews मिलने के बाद SRK had taken a sabbatical from acting and had turned all his focus and attention to his production house, who are busy churning out web series and movies on OTT platforms. But now looks like after 2 long years, SRK is ready to be back on set and will start filming for his film Pathaan, to be directed by Siddharth Anand.
According to a source, the Siddharth Anand directorial will have him sport several looks, and in one portion of the action thriller, he will have longer hair. That's also the reason why he is growing his hair at this moment. SRK के लंबे बालों को स्पॉट किया फैंस ने when he attended a cricket tournament in Dubai with his kids. SRK is one of the owners of a team in this cricket league and was there to support the players in a purple cap and mask with the team's logo. Grapevine के मुताबिक Pathaan will also star Deepika Padukone as the female lead and John Abraham will play the villain in this grand production that is reportedly being produced by Yash Raj Films. While neither YRF or SRK have made any official statements, Grapevine के मुताबिक the film was to be announced as a part of the 50th year celebrations of Yash Raj Films. But due to the pandemic and ongoing restrictions, the celebration has been postponed. Pathaan के shoot plans भी supposedly change हुए हैं and the film, which was scheduled to start filming in October, will now only go on floors in November. The original plan was also to shoot in several locations abroad. लेकिन अब नए नॉर्मल में ये फिल्म भी प्राइमरीली मुंबई में शूट होगी with all the safety precautions in place. The source adds, sets are being erected and a lot of the high-end adrenaline pumping stunts will be shot on the green screen. They wanted to go on floors in October, but now it will finally kickstart in November. Well, here's hoping कि हमें जल्द ही पठान को लेके कोई अपडेट्स मिले. And SRK returning to a film set is great news that his fans have been waiting to hear for the longest time.
Well, that brings us to the end of episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section below on our social media handle and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow, same time, same place with the latest from Bollywood. Till then, go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. Until next time, it's goodbye.